So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to explain you how you can download your IMUCET Rank certificate for August 2022 and Feb 2023 batch. For that you have to type in your browser IMU, then you have to press enter, and then you have to scroll down and you have to go to this website www.imu.edu.in. And here you can see that it's written download rank certificate for IMUCET 2022. You have to click on this, and you have to click on this first link, download rank certificate UG MB MTech program. Then you will jump to this page, and here it's written that registered candidates, click here to log in to download rank certificate. You have to click over there, and you will jump into this login page where you have to log in into your dashboard, and from there you can download your rank certificate card. You have to write your user ID and password there, then you have to click on login, and here you can see that this is the UG program rank certificate card for 2022 to 2023. So you have to save this PDF for your future reference. You have to click on this print, and then you have to click on save. So this rank certificate has been saved to our machine. So if you are having any doubt, you can just comment us. If you found this video to be informative, then do share among your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed us, then you can click on the subscribe button and do like this video. So thank you for watching this, guys.